On a quest to find the most flavorful chicken recipes. The Flavor Finder is traveling from one vibrant corner of Mzansi to the next. Excitement is heating up as Gogos compete for a chance to win their share of 150,000 Rand in prizes. Every stop is a celebration of culture and cuisine that has South Africans craving for more. Welcome to Cape Town.
From the spices of Durban to the heritage of PMB and the warmth of Gqeberha, our journey brings us to the mother city, Cape Town, where we're celebrating rich Cape Malay flavors that make this city unique. Today we're in Grassy Park, a thriving and colorful community with a rich history of resilience and culture. Let's meet the contestants. Nolundi.
Yes.
How do you know Gogo Phumeza, and why do you think she deserves to win this competition?
Gogo Phumeza, we work together. I think Gogo Phumeza should win this competition because the taste of the food. She cooks everything. She makes it with love.
So Gogo, part of the first prize bag is 15,000 Rand in cash. What would you do with that money if you win?
If I can get 15,000 cash, I promise you, a church, like to serve a church, but they don't have money to buy the stuff. So I can buy all of them, I'm telling you. First thing I can do, I can buy all of them and do touch-ups for my house.
So Gogo, you are Gogo Abantu. What else do you do for your community, Gogo?
Soup kitchen, making soup for the community.
Did you guys bring something with you that evokes a rainbow chicken memory?
Oh, this spice rack is very important to me because it's older than me. It's got that history. When I grew up, this spice rack was on top of my mom's cupboard. The nice small bottles here with full of spices. I'm still using this spice rack.
Wonderful. Are you going to be using it today?
Yes.
Spice flavor is the name of the game in today's competition. So we're wishing you guys all the best.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Please bring in Team Gogo Brenda.
Chandra, how do you know Gogo Brenda, and why do you think she deserves the Taste the Memories crown?
Gogo Brenda is my mom. She makes a mean pot of curry. In fact, whatever she touches, she turns into something beautiful.
Part of the prizes, these include a garden community initiative, scholarship money, Jojo tank, branded freezer, and 15,000 Rand in cash.
Wow.
So, if you win this 15,000 Rand in cash, what would you do with it?
Well, if I win the 15,000, that will be a blessing to me, which I will share that blessing back to the community. And because there's a lot of need in our community. Making porridge for them, for the children in the morning, that parents is not in it to give them something to eat. So the porridge will take them through the day while they're at school or creche. Then I make sandwiches for in the afternoons, where they can have each one a sandwich with a little bit of juice. That's why I say if I win the 15,000, that is what I will put back in the community.
Did you guys bring something with you that evokes a rainbow chicken memory?
Yeah, the Cape Malay.
So from what I hear, Cape Malay cuisine is all about flavors.
Yes, it is.
Are you bringing the past to the present with your flavors or rewriting the recipe?
Bring the past to the present
And adding some.
And adding an extra touch. And that is called love.
Wishing you guys all the best in today's cook-off. Excited to see what you guys can produce.
Thank you.
Today's challenge is all about bringing to life the bold Cape Malay flavors. And for their dish, our contestants will be working with the rainbow chicken whole bird. This dish is all about layers of flavor. Will their curry be a masterpiece, or will the spices overpower the story? Now that your cook-off stations are ready to make the perfect Cape Malay masterpiece, you have 90 minutes to complete this week's Taste the Memories challenge. Are you ready?
Yes!
Make rainbow memories!
Is that enough?
Chop. We want everything. It's not going to be chop.
Salt. Salt is here. Thank you.
Push koran yote.
Where's my seat?
So until I wear my spec.
To earn top heritage points in today's challenge, our Gogos must have captured these intricate layers of flavor, spice, and tradition.
Gogo Brenda,
Yeah.
what is the game plan?
I would like the curry to taste perfect.
Talk to me about the process. What was on your mind when you were now making this Cape Malay curry?
To win.
I hope that you are able to actually finish your cooking in time.
Thank you.
Gogo Phumeza, Nolundi,
Hello.
how's it going?
Everything going fine.
Are there any challenges?
Our challenge is the stove.
The stove. What happened?
It was high at the beginning. Now I don't know what's going on.
So we're not panicking.
Uh-uh.
The stove is still an issue, but we're not
Yeah.
panicking.
We're not.
Okay. Slow and steady wins the curry race, but don't let the clock steal your flavor game.
Need anything more? Spices? Yes, spices is good, yeah.
The stove on.
And
Gogos, can I have your attention, please?
yeah.
Introducing the Rainbow Potluck Challenge, the Mother City Edition. Gogo Brenda, Gogo Phumeza, I would like you guys to please join me. Chandre and Nolundi, please hold the fort. Gogos, introducing the Rainbow Potluck Challenge. Each of you will have a chance to draw a card from the potluck, and you'll stand a chance to win either big prizes or some challenging prizes. First off, we have a mystery basket ingredient. There's also a 250 Rand instant shopper voucher for Chikro and a rainbow trivia where you are able to win extra points towards your final score of the cook-off. Starting with you, Gogo. Keep it close, please, and keep it to yourself for now. Thank you. Gogo Brenda. Keep it close, please, and keep it to yourself for now. Thank you. Gogo Phumeza, we'd like you to please have a look at your card and let us know what it is. Are you ready?
Rainbow trivia, extra points.
Rainbow trivia, extra points. All right. All right. Gogo Brenda.
Rainbow basket ingredients.
The mystery basket ingredients. Oh. So Gogo Phumeza, first question is a true or false question. Rainbow just launched a tasty new crumb chicken range. This range includes all of the following: pops, strips, steaklets, nuggets, salsa wings, and burgers. True or false?
True.
That is true! The next question is a time-based question. So you have 7 seconds to answer this question.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Name 3 of your favorite Rainbow products.
Chicken fillets, wings, drumsticks.
Rainbow chicken do sell fillets. They also have wings, which can be crumbed or fresh or frozen. And they also sell drumsticks that are fresh or frozen. So Gogo Phumeza, because you answered both questions correct, you will be receiving 1 extra point to your cook-off total. Gogo Brenda, you'll be coming with me to locate your mystery ingredient. Gogo Brenda, welcome to the Rainbow Flavor Finder. This is your mystery ingredient, the Rainbow Crumb Chicken Nugget. You may incorporate this with your dish. It doesn't have to be inside your dish. We don't want to tamper with your Cape Malay curry, but you can find creative ways to make this. All the best. Teams, you have 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes to go. How are you going to incorporate the Rainbow Crumb Chicken Nuggets?
To tell you the truth, I don't really know.
So I'm gonna try 9. So you know what, Gogo Brenda? I wonder if they have the hot one in this. How do you think the hot one will be? This is the original.
Well, the hot one is for us. Wow!
20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cape Malay cuisine is a beautiful fusion of Malay, Indonesian, Dutch, and Indian influences, passed down through generations. Defined by aromatic spices, slow-cooked richness, and a delicate balance of sweet and savory, it represents Cape Town's vibrant cultural tapestry.
Today, we have 3 Cape Town chefs that are going to be our judges. We've got Chef Sam, Chef Mia, and Chef Aisha. When we talk about a Cape Malay curry, what is your expectation?
Well, being a Cape Malay girl myself, I'm looking for, in terms of flavor, a little bit of heat, the correct spices, obviously, and I can see that they've added, there's some whole stick cinnamon, so she's on the right track. A nice, soft cooked potato, and a really good piece of chicken, like a really well cooked piece of chicken.
Okay, chefs, it's time to taste Gogos Phumeza's dish. Chef Aisha, we'll start with you once you've gathered yourself there. On heritage flavors.
It's there. It is slightly there. Like I can taste that spices were used, and so it's good. It's good. I'm happy with that.
Chef Mia, on plating?
Plating again, more of the plating that you normally have at home, and it looks really appetizing and filling. I like the flavor combinations in there, and it really tastes more of home-cooked meals.
Chef Sam, on creativity.
Yeah, I think it's very nice. And yeah, I like that she has some of the sauce around the edges, incorporating like more of the sauce.
To earn top heritage points in today's challenge, our Gogos must have captured these intricate layers of flavor, spice, and tradition.
Chef Mia, let's talk about the plating.
It looks great. I like how they put everything more to the center and our little garnish on top there.
Gogo Brenda had a mystery ingredient that she had to incorporate in her dish. That mystery ingredient was the rainbow chicken crumbed nugget. How do you think she's done in terms of incorporating it in her dish?
I could taste some crunchiness, but I didn't pick it up because I think she was creative enough to dice it in her couscous, and it really worked.
I was just about to say, yeah, she did the same thing. Same thing about the couscous, sort of like a chicken couscous for chicken curry.
And Chef Sam, can we just talk about the overall experience, all of the overall taste?
Yeah, I think it was delicious. I would personally prefer a little bit more salt. Yeah, it was still really delicious.
Judges, it's now time for you to fill in your scorecards. Please, may I have those, judges? Judges, we appreciate everything you guys have done for us today. It's time to read the scores, and may the best Gogo win.
Have they mastered the essence of Cape Malay cooking, or will their dishes fall short of this rich legacy? Let's find out.
The scores are in, and now I'm going to call up the Gogos one by one for feedback. We're starting off with Gogo Brenda.
Hi, hi, to Brenda. What I liked about your dish is that it was really well seasoned. Even though it was a Cape Malay curry, there was very much a big difference between the two flavors, and I like that yours was well seasoned.
Thank you, Gogo Brenda.
Hi, Gogos Phumeza. What I really liked about your dish was the use of your spices. I liked seeing that there was cinnamon, so that's very distinctive of a Cape Malay curry, so good for that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gogo Phumeza. Gogos, please can I ask you guys to step forward, please? What a battle today was. What an amazing day it was. The Cape Malay cuisine definitely shone through in the mother city. So we are grateful for your time today. And now it's time for me to read the scores. Starting off with Gogo Brenda, you have scored a 22 out of 30 points. And on to Gogo Phumeza. You have also scored a 22 out of 30 points. However, Gogo Phumeza did win the extra point in the trivia today, which takes her to a 23 out of 30 points. Wow. Very well done to the both of you. As a thank you from Rainbow, we do have instant vouchers for you to go shopping at this amazing store. So really appreciate it and thank you. Cape Town, it's been a treat. Next stop, the city of gold, Johannesburg. This is what we want. Bring this energy. See you soon.
Taste the memories, Rainbow Chicken.